Agricultural applications of amines, amides, phosphates, sulfones, and sulfonates. These various chemical compounds play a crucial role in the world, especially in the fields of agriculture. Amines are commonly used as herbicides. These compounds are applied to control the broadleaf weeds in crops like cereals, soybeans, and etc. Amines can also be used as the plant growth regulators to influence plant in flowering and root formation. This is not only used as plant growth, but it can use also as pesticide, especially for controlling pests. Just like amines, amides also used as herbicide for controlling weed in crops, and one of the example of amides is the urea that slowly releases nitrogen into the soil, reducing the loss of nitrogen and improving the plant growth. Phosphate is particularly one of the key ingredients in making a fertilizer that can help plants to grow fast and improve their growth, and can help farmers to improve their crop yield. This is another class of phosphate that are used as insecticides to control a variety of insect pests in agricultural fields. Sulfonates commonly used as surfactants in pesticide and herbicides to spread the effectiveness of the ingredients on plant surface. It can also be used to prevent and protect plant from different infections of crops. In other words, amines and amides, phosphates, sulfones, and sulfonates are the crucial components or ingredients in the modern agricultural practices because they contribute to crop protection, weed control, and the soil fertility. It also enhancing the crop yields and ensuring the food security. However, their use requires careful consideration in environmental and health impacts. These chemicals are very important to us, especially the farmers in terms of agriculture, because they have a very big contribution in improving the plant growth, soil health, and controlling the insect pest.